Although the photonic shield itself consists of a complex matrix of materials, it couldn't be simpler to unpack. Inside the slide-apart sleeve you will find the instruction card, which gives information on function, usage, and care. And you have the photonic shield itself. The photonic shield is designed to be worn on the body in a pocket or wallet. Once in place, it will immediately begin transforming background radiation into frequencies that benefit the body. The shield can also be used to structure your water. A glass should be placed on the shield for a minimum of 60 seconds. Larger water solutions up to 3 litres should be treated for a minimum of 30 minutes. For food, a plate can be treated for a minimum of 60 seconds. Larger amounts of food, such as a bag or box, should be treated for a minimum of 15 minutes. Supplements should be placed directly onto the shield for a minimum of 60 seconds. 2 photonic shields can be used to balance the body's energy channels. To do this, place one photonic shield in the right palm and place the second shield under the left foot for 5 minutes. Then switch over to the left palm and the right foot for a further 5 minutes. Also, you can place one photonic shield on the forehead or neck area and the second at the base of the spine for 5 minutes. You can repeat this several times a day. Protecting your energy with the photonic shield is as simple as that.